Schön mal. Sag mal hallo. Schön hallo. Sag mal hallo.
Trying to fight the world a mile a minute. The poison took, I guess everybody has a limit. Sometimes I think whether things could have been different, but it's hard to change your mind when nobody wanna listen. It ain't a dream and it's never what it seems. We could believe but they never let us be. It's hard to see when you living in the storm, and the struggle of it all got you thinking that it's wrong. But that flame burns strong, and even though you're gone, I know that flame burns on. That's why I wrote the song. It's not to call you back but tell you that I won't forget. Through the pain, the change, there's no regrets.
Can't hold you like I want, so I can feel like in my arms. Nobody's gonna come and save. We go too many false alarms. Can't seem to hold you like I want, so I can feel like in my arms. Nobody's gonna come and save. We go too many false alarms.
I said I'm sorry cause I know you're stressing. I see the hurt in your eyes, I can't help, damn, the whole thing is so depressing. I wish I could have been, should have had, didn't do. Now the time is up and I'm stuck here missing you. But we got stopped on that ticking clock. Time fades all, you miss it on your mission to the top. Take a moment, let it go, gotta move, gotta break through. Gotta keep it real, there's no chance I'll replace you. I made a monster myself, baby girl. Heart of stone, no regard for the problems of the world. A boy with a dream, a monster with a match, a trail of gasoline, and all I do is it's just me now, the wifey on a speed dial. Every day's a new day, so what's it gonna be now? Cause if I could, I'd be waiting in your living room, telling you to hurry up, it's getting late, let's make a move. But that all changed, we got lost on that foggy day. And I would stay, but I'm off to another place. Cause life's a song, every memory's a melody. I wrote this verse in the hopes you'd remember me.
Can't seem to hold you like I want,